Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the price line is still testing the previous resistance that was the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as a support. And at the same time, Stellar is also testing a very long-term support of 12 cents and moving very close to this support, a very big support of this falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this bigger time frame, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And we can see that we had a very long-term support here at 12 cents that was previously working as a resistance here. In the month of that, by the way, this is the monthly time frame, and here it was breaking as a resistance in April and in May 2019 and also in June 2019 as well. And here we had another rejection in the month of August 2020, and after breaking out this resistance, we retested the previous resistance of 12 cents as a support in December 2020, and we had another big rally. And since after that, the price line never broke down this support of 12 cents. Therefore, it will be difficult for Stellar to break down the support of 12 cents. Now, if we take a look at the previous move of Stellar, then we can see here we had a very big rally, and before that, Stellar formed this down channel, and that was another very big pattern on this monthly time frame. And after breaking out that channel, we had a very big move, and we can see at that time stochastic was completely oversold, and when we therefore when we broke out this channel, we had a very big rally. Same as like that, this time the stochastic is showing that market of Stellar is oversold now, and we are having nice support of this very big falling wedge pattern and the support of 12 cents as well. So now in this situation, if Stellar breaks out the resistance of this falling wedge, that can be a very nice entry for Stellar, by the way. And after that, we can expect such move once again. By the way, this move was from this low to this high, approximately 3,000%. And after the breakout, this move was, let me show you, from here up to this high, roughly 1,400% this move was. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, here we have a bit critical situation, because we were moving inside this down channel. Recently, we have broken down the support. We have a very a bearish move to the downside that was up to 10 cents approximately, and from there we are bounced back, and this was the support that is not broken down, that is 12 cents that we are looking here. And this was the reason that the price line after this bearish spike is recovered back and again moved up, retested the previous support of the channel as a resistance. So it is another confirmation for the breakdown. By the way, the price line already had retested the previous support of the resistance and confirmed this breakdown, and then we had this bearish move. Now once again, we are rejected by the resistance and also this resistance of 14 cents that price line has found on the smaller time frame. You can see on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we can see that this 14 cents was breaking as a support here, and now it has turned into a resistance. And at the same time, I was telling you that it had also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the neckline, but after these rejections, it seems to be that now we have the right shoulder. This recent drop is breaking as a right shoulder, and we cannot ignore these more touch points. Therefore, now we can expect that this is the new neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we need to ignore the previous neckline. And now this is the left shoulder. Here we have a very clear head, and this can be the right shoulder, and now we need to wait for the resistance to be broken out. And we can see at the same time Bitcoin is also moving in this descending triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that once Bitcoin will be able to break out the resistance of this triangle, at the same time Stellar will be also able to break out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well, and it can re-enter the channel once again. The expected target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately 19 cents. Now let me copy this trend line from here and paste it here on the daily time frame and on this monthly time frame chart as well. Then we can see it is showing us the projection very close to this resistance of the wedge that will be approximately at 20 cents. So it is possible that it will make another attempt to break out this very big resistance of the falling wedge if we will break out the resistance of the head and shoulder pattern, and also it can break out this very big resistance of the down channel as well. And the target for this very big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately 75 cents. However, it is also possible that we will have such big move like previously we had after this breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.